This week has been one of those times where I've been lacking inspiration, but one of the things that I've been doing is contacting new and old friends as well as my family just to get back into the groove of things. I feel like every Friday I say something similar about not having inspiration, but it's true when you're in a place where it's not always easy to explore on your own. And it's usually not until the weekends that I can really go out and do something exciting. So this is what most of my week has looked like. But on Sunday, I'm going up to Kyoto with my friend Sonia. We're going to attend a TEDx event, which I'm really excited just to get some new ideas and inspiration, as well as some innovating speakers that are going to be talking about different ways to live my life. It's going to be an all-day event, and at the end there's a meet and greet, and hopefully I'll be able to film a little bit while I'm there and just spend some time to talk to some new people. For those of you who aren't familiar with what TED is, I'd definitely recommend checking out some of the videos. A lot of the speakers are innovators in science, health, business, culture, society, pop culture, leading innovators, influencers. So it's really an amazing opportunity. When I found out about this, I jumped on getting a ticket. So that's what I'm going to be doing on Sunday. Tomorrow, not that much. I hope you have a good weekend, and here's some more cats.